Hello, this is Brian Sykes with AI Explorer. I was recently asked how to create a private setup when you're inside of the Discord server for Midjourney. So those who are kind of new to this space and they've kind of been working within Midjourney, but in maybe the newbie space or even in one of the other rooms working there for their Midjourney prompting, and they're wanting to do something different, I want to try to walk you through this process. Now, this is a new setup for me because I'm giving Camtasia a try for the very first time. Hopefully this will run smoothly. This is also summertime, so I've got kids in the background every once in a while. My recently high school graduate is in his room gaming, and I'm not sure what the game is, but it must be exciting because he hollers every once in a while. You may hear him in the background. But anyway, this is reality. This is life. Let's jump in. First, take a look at the screen, and I'm actually starting inside of Midjourney. So we're inside of a newbie's room, and for everybody who's just gotten into Midjourney and they've done their basics, they've created some stuff and they've kind of enjoyed that process, this is where you got started. But once you've got a paid account and you're ready to do your own thing and you want to get away from this space, then having your own private setup is the best way to go. And this is a very simple process. First, we're going to come down here to the left-hand side where it says add a server and click. Now, when you click add a server, it's going to come up with create a server, and it has a series of simple questions. We're going to do create my own. And in this case, we're going to go with for me and my friends. It doesn't matter if anybody else is invited. This is just where you start. And this is fine. We can call it whatever we want to. And since this is, I'll just call it the Brian Sykes. That would be fine. Create. Okay, when this is done, you've basically got a server on Discord, but there's nothing happening with it. Right now, there's a text channel and there's a voice channel. This is the basic setup for Discord. What we need to do is invite the Midjourney server over to this space so that we can get the Midjourney capability of prompting built into here. So how do we do that? Well, first, we need to go back to the Midjourney server. And when you're inside of Midjourney, which is the little ship, sailing ship, we want to go, mark it's red here. We want to go up here to the very top where it says show member list, top right corner, and click on this. When this pops up, it's going to give you a list of all the different people who are currently active on this server. And what you'll notice, you'll see the one called Midjourney bot. We want to click on that. When the Midjourney pops up, the Midjourney bot pops up, it says add to server. So I want to click on there. And now it's going to say, okay, we want to take an external application of the Midjourney bot and it wants to access your Discord account. This is exactly what we want to do. But what we need to do is select the server we're going to place it on. So in this case, the one that I want to add it to is the Brian Sykes. In this case, whatever name you've given your file, this is what you're going to call or reference. Once you've chosen that, then just click on continue. It'll ask you just as what you want to include in this, read messages, send messages, embed links. These are all the basics that are part of the Discord server, so you want all those included, so choose authorize. It'll take just a second. Wait, are you human? Yes, this is a human check. I am human, and there we go. Success, Midjourney bot has been authorized and added to the Brian Sykes. I want to click on go to the Brian Sykes. And there we go. It lets me know that Midjourney bot just slid into the server, so it's now active. This is going to be available underneath your text channels. So to prove this, we just do /, and what you'll see is right away we're getting all the access of Midjourney. So I can type in imagine any prompt that we want to come up with. We can choose this and get started. So AI bot drinking coffee at a future punk diner, AR 16:9. There we go. So we're sending our very first command, and this is going to begin the process of prompting inside of our private server. This is only available where you can add the server or invite the server and have access to it if you have a paid account with Midjourney. Once you do, then you have the full access and you can do your thing. So anyway, this is how simple it is to get started creating your own private Discord server for Midjourney. Hopefully that's a help to you guys. You can be blessed.